All right, we got this really nice modular sectional sofa. This is a boneless couch. I've reviewed, I don't even know how many couches, like 50 couches or something over the course of time. Recently gotten into reviewing these boneless couches. This is easily the best one I've ever reviewed. And not even considering it as a boneless couch, this is an insanely nice couch. Very high-end vibe. Like, as you can see, it just looks like a high-end couch. Extremely comfortable. Like, I just love the feel, the fabric. It's like a corduroy vibe, but also just the support. I don't even know how to exactly explain it, because there's a sturdiness, but also just like a softness at the same time, if that makes sense. Just super nice. I love that you don't have to put it together. It comes in 2 boxes. You just open them up and it opens up into a couch and it's just ready to go. Super lightweight, can easily move around. It's 2 different sections. So we got one section right here and you got another section right there. You can easily move it to like make a bed or whatever you want to do. You can make it in these different shapes. This is the main shape. This is what I love. 106 inches wide. So as you can see, a lot of room, a lot of space, very comfortable, spacious, and you know, just, dude, this is, I mean, straight up, dude, this is the number on the page. That's insane. That is insane. That's insane. That should be way more. Highly recommend.